Hi guys, so in the previous video I showed you how to display a map using the ArcGIS API, and well in that tutorial we used a base map, the dark gray vector base map, and I thought maybe if I showed someone just one base map, they might think that the ArcGIS API for JavaScript offers just that one base map. But assuming that would be wrong, so I decided to do a little bit of research to determine the type of base maps which the ArcGIS API for JavaScript provides, and there are several of them. So here are the base maps. Here there's the ArcGIS imagery, the ArcGIS imagery standard, all of these ArcGIS streets, ArcGIS street night. This actually looks really good, and let's see how it looks like. Let's copy that and just paste it here. Well, I'm reusing the code used in the previous tutorial, so if you need the code, there's a link to the source code in the previous video's description. So please, if you need the code, please just check out that video. The link is in the description. Okay, now let's see how the street night, what the ArcGIS street night base map looks like. Okay, so asking for login. Let me just log. No, goodness, did I forget? Okay, there you go. Let's see how it looks like. There you go. This is the ArcGIS street night base map. Okay, it looks like this. I guess the blue lines are the highways or the roads. Yeah, these are the highways. Okay, so this is the ArcGIS street night base map, and there are several. There's also the OSM OpenStreetMap base map. So let's try one. Let's check this one. That one. Let's check this one here. Let's paste it there. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. And for the OSM OpenStreetMap street relief, looks like that. It's beautiful. Looks nice. Let me just zoom out a little bit. There you go. So guys, you can use all these types of base maps, and to get all these types of base maps, you can just go to the ArcGIS API for JavaScript website, and then go to API reference. It's right here, and then go to the map option right here. But I'm going to leave a direct link in the description, so please check it out if you need any other base map apart from the one we used in the last video. Thank you.